Okay guys, here I am with the Suron, the Light B X, just enjoying some tracks that I've never done before. It's near my house, but with the motorcycle some of them are difficult to do and I'm not an expert, but with the Suron they are quite easy and very fun to do. This let's go this way. This is where it go. I don't know if there's an exit there, but with the motorcycle I would never do something like this. But woo! Oh! Very narrow. Oh, narrow. But I'll do it just for you guys, for the review. Maybe I go up here. It's much easier if I go this way. And something like this. And oh, I know where I am. It's near my house. Good. And with this electric bike I can go either there on the road, because this one it is licensed to go on the road. We do have an off-road version which you are not allowed to go on the road, just to enjoy these tracks here. Okay, this way. Okay, this way. This is my track near my house, and I never do these tracks with the motorcycles because I have zero experience of road, and I'm discovering. Okay, can I go down? No, if I go down there's no exit there. So like I said, this is a dead end, so we go back. I could try to go there, but it's too much for me. So don't, just do whatever I am able to, don't invent too much. So we're gonna try another route. Look at this, man. This thing has a really nice torque. It's an amazing e-bike. Wow. Go. Woo! Wow. And we just have fun. Actually, I just have fun, and you guys just watch me having fun. Let's go this way here. Yeah, let's go here. Let's see what I can do here. And go down, go up. And what's here? Here. Okay, let's see what's here. This way here. I would never do this with the motorcycles that I usually test ride, but this one being so light, this e-bike being so light and so nimble, I can do all these kinds of tracks like this. You can go here and go here, and this is super fun. Okay, wow. Let's go here. There's no exit there. Let me see. No. Yeah, maybe I don't want to get all the things on my legs. So let's go here and see. Go here, go this way. Then we go up this one and go here. Can you guys imagine doing this with a 500cc motorcycle or something like that? This is just finding new tracks and me playing around and hoping there's an exit somewhere. This is tiring. Whoa, it's fun, but it is tiring. Whew. Now I appreciate those BTT guys. Ouch. And why they have all that equipment while they are riding. I am riding with everyday wear. It is not suitable to be here, but I don't have equipment, so let's go. There seems to be an exit here. I hope there is one. And woohoo, I can go here. Oh my god, this is discovery 1 on 0. Okay, this one here. I have no idea where I am. I just hope I have battery. Let me see. I do have battery. How much? 72% battery, so I have lots of battery. Guys, this is so fun. I didn't imagine this is to be so fun to have this Suron. Okay, I think I did go there, so maybe I go this way now. I don't remember. Everything after a while starts to look exactly the same. So we're gonna try this one. Okay, I went down here and I go up there, so I'm gonna do another track. I think I already did this way on the Portuguese review, so let's do the inverse. Let's go up. and go. Look how fast it can go. Oh my god, amazing. And go here. Wow, this is so cool. Up, jump, woo. There's nothing can stop me now. Woo. So cool. Yeah. Really good suspensions, really good tires. Just the front brake could be a little bit stronger. The rear brake is okay, but I am sweating all over my friends. But this is so fun. We need to stop and go check the specs. Okay guys, let's talk a little bit about the Sur-Ron Light B X. It's an electric vehicle. It is licensed as a moped, so it's 50 cc's equivalent, but it is a lot of fun. It gives you the ability to be on these terrains off-road with the lightness of a traditional bike and agility. It's very light, 50 kilograms, and you can have lots of fun with this electric bike. Another thing, this model that I have here, it's street legal, because it does have the fenders in the front and the rear, it has turn signals, it has the lights, brakes, and all the things that you need, and license plate holder which is here, so all the things that you need to ride on the street. But you also have the same model, which is off-road model, that doesn't come with all these accessories, and I'm sure the tires are also a little bit different from these ones. For riding on the street, you do need to have insurance and a proper driver's license. In my case in Portugal, it's driver's license B or AM. This electric bike is very easy to carry on. If you have a trunk in your car which has enough space to put it on, I was able to do it on my car with the help of Zé Pedro. The two of us, we put it together because it was my first time, but when I arrived home, I was able to remove it without any issue, so I'm pretty sure I can do it alone and put it back in the car. And the first thing that my wife did when I arrived home was go for a little test ride in our garage, because she liked the look of it. Another person who had fun, it's this little girl that you are watching here on the screen, which is my daughter. Look at the smile when she was sitting on this e-bike. We will have 3 colors on this e-bike available in my country, also 3 years warranty, and as you can see, we do have this aluminium frame. It's where the battery is housed. It's here in the center, so we just have the unlock here with the ignition, open this cover, disconnect the power switch and remove 2 plugs. Then you can remove the battery, take it home, put it to charge and put it back in. Talking about charging, it takes about 3.5 hours to charge the battery. It's a 60-volt battery, 32 amps, and like I said, it is removable, but you can charge it here on the motorcycle, because you have the plug here on the side if you do have a wall in your garage. The engine, it's a brushless motor, 6,000 watts, it's about 8 horsepower, and like I said, on the street 45 kilometers limit, off-road the maximum it's 78 kilometers an hour. Here on the front of the Sur-Ron, we do have the lights, everything it's LED, turn signals and the lights, the mud guards, we have the steering lock, the suspension, it's inverted suspension for a D&M with dual crown forks, 200 millimeters travel, adjusted in preload and rebound, 1 disc, 203 millimeters with clippers with 4 pistons, the brakes are regenerative brakes, and the rims, it's a 19 inches rims equipped with the CST tires 70/100. Here on the rear we do have the seat, which is comfortable enough, consider this is an electric bike. The rear tail light, it's here, blinkers left and right, everything is LED, license plate holder, rear coil with a travel of 210 millimeters, one disc 203 millimeters with clippers with 4 pistons, the side stand which has a sensor, and it has exactly the same tires as in the front, the CST 19 inches on the spoke rim, 70/100. Regarding seat height, we are talking about 840 to 880 millimeters, it's adjustable. Ground clearance 270 millimeters, so no worries going off-road with this electric bike. And like I said, total weight 50 kilograms. In the handlebar, it's a very normal handlebar for an electric bike. We do have the two modes, economic and sport, the brakes front and rear, blinkers left, right, a horn, digital or LCD, where you have the information that you need, the speed, and most important, the battery level. Also, you have the blinkers left and right, and the high beams and all that information, like I usually call the Christmas tree. The adjustments for the front suspension a little bit under, and near the ignition we do have a USB socket where you can charge your phone or your GPS, whatever, which is very important. And most important, it's a secret, guys, we do have a GPS tracker with a SIM card already on this motorcycle. It is hidden, so if someone steals your motorcycle, you will be able to track it. And now that I give you the presentation and a little bit taste of the abilities of the Sur-Ron Light BX, I really hoped that you like this review. At least in my country, I'm pretty sure I'm one of the first YouTubers to have this electric bike, so I have to thank you, to say thanks to the representative here in Portugal for letting me have it. If you want more content about the e-bike, I will be having the e-bike a few more days because I'm enjoying it too much. It's a big smile on my face. If you want that, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell so you receive my future videos, follow my other networks, leave your comments down below what you think about the Sur-Ron e-bike, and I really hope I can see you in the next one. Bye!